Positively Thin Crisp. We guide healthy choices and are here to inspire a well-balanced life. Baking so much goodness into something so slim and delicious as rye crisps takes real dedication. Each crisp is filled with wholesome whole grains, balanced with a mellow flavor and great texture. Each packaging captures the essence of Finland, simple, pure, and powerful. Our history goes back to the 1952 Helsinki Summer Olympic Games. That's when Thin Crisp was born and we first introduced our thin and delicate rye crisps to the public. But the crisp bread baking tradition in Finland goes back way longer than that. These flavorful treats have been a must-have in Finnish households since the 1800s. Our first celebratory milestone dates back to 1849. In the last 171 years, Thin Crisp has proudly made huge strides while touching different corners of the world. Today, the Thin Crisp team continues their efforts with commitment and dedication to improving the lifestyles of their consumers. Thin Crisp is now being sold in more than 30 countries and is the #1 Thin Crisp brand. Thin Crisp stands out in consumer minds because it is healthy and versatile. It is wildly popular with health-conscious consumers as a snack or as an alternative to other products. With over 150 years of baking experience, Thin Crisp is true to its origins. Made in Finland with a unique Finnish recipe that incorporates sourdough rye, Thin Crisp produces a variety of products and flavors. Thin Crisp products are low in calories, high in nutritional value, whole grain, high in fiber, made with simple ingredients, no additives, no added fat, no trans fat. Versatile, offering many usage occasions and meets consumer demand for flexibility and variety. Thin Crisp guarantees quality and is great for breakfast or as a light snack, but can truly be enjoyed any time of day. Today, consumers want to live a healthy life more than ever before. Their expectations with regard to health continue to evolve, and Thin Crisp plays an important role meeting them halfway by providing products that encourage and support a healthy lifestyle. Thin Crisp's target audience is focused on wellness. 45% of users are between 26 to 35 years old, with 64% being female. 128% of buyers use Thin Crisp as an alternative to breads and crackers. 61% of buyers enjoy Thin Crisp products at least once a week. Most consumers are visual or kinesthetic learners who need to see recipes associated with the product to learn how to consume it. Thin Crisp's digital channels are dedicated to educating and inspiring consumers on how they can enjoy Thin Crisp in their daily lives to live happier and healthier while being able to indulge in pure ingredients. Thin Crisp appeals to the appetite and educates consumers on product usage by creating recipes showing creative ways to use all of the products that Thin Crisp has to offer. Thin Crisp will collaborate with content creators, culinary experts, chefs, authors, and health activists to create innovative recipes using Thin Crisp products and encourage them to share their experience and unique recipes with their audience. By implementing ad campaigns through a variety of digital channels, Thin Crisp will provide a seamless shopping experience in brick-and-mortar stores by targeting specific geographic locations in which products are sold. This not only differentiates Thin Crisp from its peers, but also gives a competitive edge over online-only brands by leveraging their store assets. Thin Crisp is proud to be a part of the movement to inspire and provide nourishing, healthy lifestyles. These thin and delicate rye crisps are more than just food. They're a symbol of well-being and positivity. They're positively Thin Crisp.